How to turn on or turn off mature stories on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable mature stories on Wattpad. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, and here you will have this settings, or you can go just from here, click on this little icon. Now click on include matcher. You can enable or disable it from here. It's very easy, and if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.